Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are enjoying my videos. If you are enjoying them, then please share with your friends so that they can also enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon also. So let's continue with this video. So the topic of this video is ArryList. We are going to do a tutorial on ArryList in Java. Let's create a file, grades.java. Open it in the text editor. Our text editor is open. First we just need to import the ArryList. We have imported the ArryList. Now we will define our public class grades. Oh, I haven't terminated. Now we just need to define the main function. We have defined our main function. Now we will define an ArryList variable, not variable, object we can say. After typing ArryList, we just need to define the data type, the type of data which we want to store in the ArryList. So currently we want to store integer type of value. So we will write integer here, the name of the object, ArryList, and then again integer, then these parentheses, then terminated. So we have an object grade. Now we are going to add value in it with the help of the add function. We will add 100 value first, then 50, then 70. So we have added 3 values in it, 100, 50 and 70 respectively. Let's save this file and just compile it for once to check any error is there. It's a good practice to just compile your file in between programming so that you can see at what step you are getting error. If at this step I get any error, then I will know that in these 6-7 lines I have any error. So there is no error, so we will now print the size of the ArryList. Size, concatenating. We are going to use the size function to get the size of the ArryList. Now once again compile it. No error in compilation. Now we will run our program. So you can see the size of our ArryList is 3, and that's absolutely correct because we have added only 3 values in it. Now if I add one more value with the help of add function, like 40. So now I have added one more value, so I need to have a size of 4. Now again compile it and then run. Now you can see we have the size 4. Now we are going to get the values from this ArryList with the help of the get function, and this get function take the index number, and we will use a for loop, int I 0, and we will the for loop will loop till the size of the ArryList. Now we will print the values. grades dot get, and then index number I. So now we should get the these four values 100, 50, 70, 40. Now let's compile it. So no error during compilation. Now we will run our program. So you can see we have four values printed, that is 100 at index 0, 50 at index 1, 70 at index 2, and 40 at index 3. So in this manner we have added the value. Now we are going to see some more methods of the array list. So till now we have just add the element, then get its size, and then again get the element with the help of get function. So now we will see how can we remove a specific element from an array list with the index number. Just imagine if we want to remove the index 0, that is element 100, then how will we do it? Just the object name and the function remove, and inside remove we will put the index number, because we want to remove the 100 element whose index number is 0. So now we have just write the function remove. Now we will check the length to see if the length decreases, because if we decrease this, then the length should remain 3. For one moment, let me just comment this out. So there should be a decrease in size. Let's compile it and again see. So you can see that the size decreases from 4 to 3 because we have removed an element. Now we will see that element removed is correct or not. We will see the specific element which is removed here. Again compile it, and then so you can see size is 4, and here we have 4 values 100, 50, 70, 40, and here size became 3 and the value are 50, 70 and 40. So you can see the clear difference that we have successfully removed the value 100 at the index 0. Now the index 0 has become this 50, and then continue. Now we will see how to replace a specific element. Like here we have removed the 100. Now we will see how to replace the 100. Just comment this out and we will see the replace function. Should be set. So it take two parameters. First is the index number and second is the value. So index number should be 0, and value instead of 100 we just want to replace it with 200. So now again compile it and run it. So this time the size remains the same because we just replace the value. Here you can see value is 100, 50, 70, 40, and now we have 200, 50, 70, 40. So you clearly see the difference. The value 100 is replaced by the value 200. And now we will see another function called contains, and this function check if a specific value exists in the list or not. Let's just comment this out, and this also, this also, this also, this also. It just return a true or false. If the value exists, it return true. If the value doesn't exist, then it will return false. System print ln now grades dot contains. If it contains the value like 100, let's compile it. According to me, it should return true. So you can see it has written true at the last. So this shows us that the list contain the value 100. We can just write it in more systematic way. Let's comment this out. If grades dot contains 100, then system.out.println, the display the message, the list contains the value 100 and a full stop. Now this is a correct way, systematic way basically. So you can see this is the correct way. Now it displays the message, the array list contains the value 100. Now if we just want to remove something, then it's better we should check it first, so that if the value exists, then it will be removed, and if it doesn't exist, then it will not be removed. Because if we just remove a value which doesn't exist in the list, then it will show an exception. So like if here we check the value 100, now we just want to remove it. Remove at index 0. So here we will display the message, the element 100 is removed. Compile it and run it. So you can see the element 100 is removed. So to check this, let's copy this function and paste it here to see the value correctly. So you can see this time size 4 and the values are 150, 70, 40, and here we have removed the element 100, so the value remains are 50, 70, 40. So you can see we have just used the contain function to check whether a specific value exists or not, and if it exists, then the value should be removed. Okay, so that's a small intro about the array list. So I hope you all understand the concept of array list and fully got it correctly. And if you still have any query or haven't understood any concept, then please comment below. I will answer all your queries, and if the query doesn't be satisfied, I will make one video again. And please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.